Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a different kind of video. Instead of doing hair, we are going to be cooking steakums. This is going to be kind of a series of lazy cooking. So yeah, got your steakums, got your peppers and onions, and then I have some olive oil. So of course, pour the olive oil into the pan. Boom. Step 1, done. Step 2, turn on the burner. The right burner. Step 3, get your container open. And then put your peppers and onions into the pan. Let them saute up. If you want to add some seasoning, go for it. I just added some salt and pepper. I just felt like the vegetables were a little too big, so I wanted to chop them down a little bit while they cooked down. Once you have the vegetables like halfway cooked, go ahead and start throwing your meat slices in there. And if you realize, like I did, that you need to add more, just add some more. There's no such thing as too much meat. You can always just eat 2 sandwiches. Or make one now, eat one later. But I was cooking for me and my boyfriend, so this is like enough meat for 4 sandwiches. And as far as the bread goes, make sure you use hoagie rolls. It's like, nah, if all you have is hamburger rolls or hot dog rolls, go for it. I knew I wanted to do like the legit hoagie roll, so I bought a pack of hoagie rolls. You can use whatever toppings you want. I just wanted to keep it simple. Got some mayonnaise and some shredded cheese. Put the mayonnaise on one side because there is such a thing as too much mayonnaise. But putting it on one side makes it the perfect amount. Once you have your mayonnaise all spread out on both pieces, you take your cheese and sprinkle it on the bottom. Once you have that part squared away, then you grab the meat and put that on top of the cheese. So then the hot meat melts the cheese a little bit and it's perfect. And this one broke apart, so I was just over it at this point. Yeah, this is the final result of my lazy cooking. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye guys.